Hey Russell fam, in today's video I'm going to share with you a Homeschool Fun Friday idea we started doing. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. Here on this channel we talk about homeschooling and homemaking and everything in between. I am a homeschooling mom of two. I have been homeschooling since 2012 and I am currently homeschooling a first grader and a sixth grader. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We are so glad you are here. Please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video, and it lets me know that you like this content I am putting out. And if you are a returning Russell fan, we are so glad you are back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you an idea, a hobby, a thing that we have started doing here in our homeschool with our kids for a fun Friday idea. Now, we kind of call it Homeschool Drone Robotics. And basically, we have a drone and Bailey and Becca both fly it around. They're learning how to use the different features on it, what makes it happen, what makes it work, what makes all of that fun things, but they're learning about the robotics part of it without really knowing that they're learning about it. So I'm going to turn this camera around and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the drone, and then I'm going to show you some of the pictures and footage that Bailey and Becca have both taken. Here is the DJI Mini 2 that we are currently using, that Bailey and Becca both fly. And I'm going to show you what all it comes with, but I did want to tell you that Bailey became interested in drones about 3 years ago, and we bought him a drone from Walmart, and it was not what we thought it was going to be like. It was very hard to control, very hard for him to operate. So we've looked into a couple of different drones since then, and this is the one that we have finally found and decided on. It does cost a little bit. I'll leave a link down in the description box if you want to look into it as maybe a Christmas present or something like that, if that's something that your child is interested in. But I'm going to show you everything it comes with, but I did want to let you know that some of the cheaper type drones don't get as good of a picture quality and they don't fly as easy. So let me show you what all comes with the DJI Mini 2. Here's the box. And here is the case it comes with. Nice case. And we have been flying it with our Samsung tablets as well as our cell phones, but we got tired of taking the cases on and off. So we started using one of our old phones that we had. So we just use this one now, and it hooks to the drone. But here is the controller, and the little knobs are stored. Oh, down here. I knew they were stored somewhere. They're stored right here in the bottom. I don't fly this as much as the kids do, but these just pop out like so, and then you screw them in right here. So they store right there. And this is the controller, and the top pops up, and it's got a little cord back here that comes out that plugs into your phone or your tablet. It does have an attachment that you put here that you have to buy that is extra if you put your tablet in here, but the kids fly with either one of them. I think they actually prefer the cell phone attaching to it here just because it's easier for them to use. So that's the controller. And we got the Fly More package, which means we got extra batteries. So we have 3 batteries, and each battery lasts about 20 minutes. And this is the charger for the batteries. And this is the actual drone. You can see that it is small. It fits in my hand. And I'm going to open it up and show you how it all goes together, because it just folds up neatly so you can store it. Here are the wings. And the Fly More package does come with extra wings and guards if you want to fly it in your house. I know a lot of realtors do. Fly it around houses to do pictures and things that way. Oh, I'm trying to be careful. There we go. And then it folds out, and that's all you do. The battery goes back here in the back, and this is the little camera. This lens comes off, so you can move it up and down and control it with the controller. So I just wanted to show you exactly what I was talking about when I was talking about drone robotics. This is what our drone is. It is made by DJI. Now let's get to some of the videos and the pictures that Bailey and Becca have taken. Y'all, there was one thing I meant to tell you when I was showing the drone to you. There is a return to home button. So if your child gets the drone out and you don't know where it is, it's got GPS coordinates that locks in on home when it takes off. So if it is out and you don't know where it is, you can hit a return to home button. It's going to take the drone, it's going to go way up and to make sure that it doesn't hit any trees or anything, and then it's going to bring it back to within about 2 feet of where it took off. So if you're scared of your child losing the drone when they're flying it, don't worry about it, because Bailey and Becca both have done that, and they just hit the return to home button and it comes right back to us. So that is a feature that we love with this drone. I hope this video has given you a new idea or an idea of something that your child may be interested in on Fun Fridays. And if there's something that your children like to do on Fun Fridays, drop a comment below and let me know what that is. And if you are new and not sure what a Fun Friday is, I will leave a link up here to a video that I did along with a playlist that some other mamas have put together on some Fun Friday ideas that they do at their house. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.